cutie pies! Welcome to Kids O'Clock with Soumya. And in today's rap story, we will read along the story of Mona and the Moon and learn to make moon. So let's read Mona's story. Mona and the Moon. Mona the baby elephant loved the moon and spent most of her days just looking at it. She didn't play with other animals, and Moon was her only friend. Mona's mom was worried about her obsession with the moon, but there was only a little she could do about it. One day, Mona decided to send a postcard to the moon, asking it to come down to meet with her. "To dear moon, please come down. Love, Mona." Her mother asked her many times to stop wasting all her time looking at the moon and play with other animals instead. But Mona didn't listen. One day, the moon really came down to visit her in her dream. "Hi, Mona. I'm your Uncle Moon. Whenever you will miss me, I will come to visit you in your dreams. But promise me that from now on, you will always listen to your mom." Mona was very happy. She hugged her mom and decided to always listen to her. Mona: "I love you, Mommy." Mom: "I love you too, Mona baby." From that day, Mona started playing with other animals, talking to flowers and doing everything her mom asked her to do. And whenever she missed her moon uncle, he visited her in her dreams. We saw how Mona became a good elephant and started listening to her mom. I want you all to do that too. Listen to your elders. They often know better. Now it's time for our DIY. Let's learn to make moon today. So here what I did is I took a plate and I drew the shape of a circle. This is going to be our moon. So I drew the circle on a white paper and I'll be cutting the paper in the circle shape and then I'll be pasting it on a black piece of paper. If you don't have a black paper, what you can do is you can take your drawing pad and you can color a page black and then you can paste the white circle on that black colored paper. Now I've applied glue to my cardboard and I'm pasting the black paper on my cardboard. I want this black paper to look like a night sky and I'll be sticking the white moon in middle of this black night sky. So that's the reason I'm doing it. Now I'm applying glue on my white moon and I will be pasting that moon on the black night sky which I just created. And after pasting it, I want to give some texture to my moon, so I'm pasting white tissue paper on it. It's actually gift tissues, those papers which we put in gift bags when we gift something to somebody. So if you don't have those papers, you can simply use paper napkins, tissue papers. So just apply a little bit of glue on your moon and then paste these tissue papers over the moon. So it's just to give it some texture. And the reason I want my moon to have this texture is because moon surface is not smooth. It has craters on it, it has cavities on it, and the same I want to show on my moon. Now after giving texture to the moon, I want it to stand out. And how will it stand out? So for that I am using a gray crayon and I'll be just running my crayon on the moon's surface. And after I'm done with running it on the moon, I will use a cotton and I'll smudge the color off. And the reason I want to smudge out the gray crayon is because I want it to blend. Now I want my night sky to also have stars. I have already made moon, but I wanted to have stars as well. For this reason, I have applied glue on it, and then I will be pouring glitter over it. So I want my glitter to look like those are stars in the sky. The glue here is appearing to be white, but it will dry clear, so my glitter will stand out and it will look like stars. Now I am using my Sharpie, you can use a sketch pen, to outline my moon so that the moon also stands out. After this, I am just cutting the extra piece of cardboard from my night sky. Earlier I did not do that, I just pasted the black paper on it, but I did not give it some shape. So I'm just chucking out the extra pieces of cardboard from this now. Now, to be able to hang it, I have to apply some kind of string at the back. So I'm using a white yarn. I have folded it and I'm just pasting it at the back of my night sky. And if you want, you can do the same. That's how we make moon. And if you like my craft story, please share it with your friends. If you like it, maybe they'll like it too. It's time to say bye-bye. But before that, please hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll be back with more fun craft stories for you very, very soon.